Hi guys, in today's video we are going to talk about Beehiiv and Ghost, which is the best email marketing software. If you have that question, you're in the good place. There have been a lot of new email newsletter softwares launched in the past few years, trying to make it cheaper and easier to use for beginners. In this video, I'll be comparing two popular options that are Beehiiv and Ghost. Both Beehiiv and Ghost are relatively new to the market and offer a variety of features to help business and creators to create and send engaging email newsletters. In my opinion, Beehiiv is easier to use if you just want to get writing an email newsletter, and Ghost is better if you also want to start a website. My pick is Beehiiv. Beehiiv is the best newsletter software. Beehiiv is an all-in-one platform for newsletters. It is a creator-friendly platform that makes it easy to design, write, send, and monetize newsletters. It allows creators to charge memberships for newsletters without taking a percentage of their revenue. Its Boosts feature allows creators to set their own price and only pay for active, engaged subscribers. It provides good SEO optimization. It works as a blog and newsletter platform. It enables businesses to forge closer connections with their audiences, and freemium platform that provides both free and paid services. Built for growth and help creators build and monetize their audience. Now let's talk about an overview of Beehiiv and Ghost. In this section, I'll provide an overview of two popular email newsletter platforms that are Beehiiv and Ghost. Both platforms have their unique features and advantages, so let's dive in and explore them. I've already talked about Beehiiv. This platform is trusted by some of the top newsletters and provides all-in-one solution that includes simple campaign creation, list building, and analytics. Beehiiv's simplicity makes it an excellent choice for writers and content creators who prefer a no-nonsense approach to their email marketing efforts. The Beehiiv dashboard above makes it easy to see and sign up and write your emails in the right section. Now let's talk about Ghost. Ghost is a content management system CMS that is specially designed for creating and managing email newsletters, blogs, and podcast websites. It is a powerful platform that is easy to use and provides a wide range of features and tools to help users create professional-looking newsletters. Ghost CMS is also great for SEO and makes it super easy to focus on creating content to monetize via memberships. This makes it best suited for people who want a blog and a newsletter. One of the key features of Ghost is its ability to create and manage email newsletters. With Ghost, users can create beautiful HTML templates that are standardized for the most popular email clients. Ghost sites have a single newsletter by default, but additional ones can be created and customized. Newsletters can be scheduled and delivered to free and paid members or a segment of free or paid members. Ghost also offers a wide range of tools for creating and managing blogs. Users can easily create and publish articles and decide whether to turn on the membership or not. Ghost provides a clean and simple interface that is easy to use even for beginners. The platform is also highly customizable, allowing users to create a unique look and feel for their blog. Overall, Ghost is a great platform for anyone looking to create and manage email newsletter and a blog. Now let's dive into the pricing section of both. I'm just going to click this pricing sections over here, and we're going to talk about the prices of both the email softwares. Now here you can see that we get 4 plans. One's the starter one, then a creator one, then a team one, and then a business one. The starter plan starts with $9 per month, and then the creator for $25 per month, and then a team one for $50 per month, and a business one for $199 per month. You can see the facilities available in each plan by visiting the official website, and here you can see you get all these facilities with each plan. Now let's dive into the pricing section of Beehiiv. Here you get 3 plans, but the good thing is the launch one is for $0. It's free. And then a grow one for $42 per month, and then a scale one for $84 per month. The facilities available with each plan are written below. You can just dive into these facilities and watch which one is better for you. Now, Beehiiv wins this place by having a free plan over here that you can just try, and if it suits you, you can go with the website. But Ghost doesn't offer any free trial over here. Now let's talk about the features and functionality of each. The features of Ghost include customizable URLs for SEO optimization. Structured metadata is automatically added to every page for Google, Facebook, Open Graph, and Twitter card-based micro formats, no matter the theme. Automatic generation of a Google sitemap, including every page on your site to make sure search engines are able to index every URL. Built-in support for memberships, built-in support for newsletters, a clean and simple interface that is easy to use even for beginners, highly customizable, allowing users to create a unique look and feel for their blog or newsletters, a wide range of integrations with other tools and services, including Zapier, Stripe, and more. A powerful API for accessing content in and out of Ghost programmatically, built-in support for Markdown, a lightweight markup language that makes it easy to format text, automatic backups and SSL encryption for added security and peace of mind, responsive design that looks great on any device. Meanwhile, some of the features of Beehiiv include easy-to-use email editor with customizable templates, advanced automation workflows with triggers and conditions, landing pages and pop-ups for lead generation, integrations with popular tools like Zapier and Google Analytics, detailed reporting and analytics on email performance. Now, my final verdict is, after extensively researching and comparing Beehiiv and Ghost for email newsletter software, I have made some observation. Beehiiv is my email marketing platform for just getting started and also want to have your emails published as a blog. Ghost is better if you want an email newsletter and also a CMS alternative to WordPress. But be careful, you can have much more customization with WordPress as you have thousands of plugins that can do almost anything. Beehiiv is an excellent option for content-focused newsletters and publications as it offers an all-in-one solution for websites, email, data analytics, and growth tools. It is the best platform for you if you just want to get started and write emails. Beehiiv provides ownership of your audience and custom aesthetics. The platform is free for lists with 2,000 subscribers or fewer and becomes more predictable in terms of costs as you grow. In summary, if you are a content creator or a publisher looking for all-in-one solution with affordable pricing and predictable costs, Beehiiv is to be the better choice. Thank you for staying with me. See you in another video.